All right, let's talk about how you can search sheet names in Excel, as well as how you can navigate to that sheet that you're searching. So here in this Excel workbook, we just have a bunch of sheets with years as their names. Now, if I Control-click this arrow, I will go to the very end of all the sheets, or Control-click the left arrow, that will go all the way to the beginning of these sheets. So that's one way you can kind of navigate, but I've seen Excel workbooks that have 150 plus different tabs or worksheets on them. And so that can make it very difficult to find the tab or worksheet that you're looking for. So let's talk about how you can search those and navigate to them. What you're going to want to do is go up to the View ribbon here, go to and select Navigation, and this little sidebar will pop up with all of your tabs. And what you can do here is you can search, let's say we're looking for 2020, that tab or worksheet will pop up. And when we select it or click on it, it will navigate to that specific worksheet. And there you have it. That's how you can search sheets in Excel and navigate to them quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.